Hey, welcome to another Saturday project.
On march!
Today, it's all about the field goal. Got to go for the extra point.
Dirt, clay.
Now it's getting wet.
That's
how dry it is down to that point.
We also have a guy coming to get a truck cap off Marketplace.
What's in it? You're gonna have to bend it, right?
It still didn't hit the bottom. Stop!
Hold that.
And I kicked it!
Thing I've ever seen.
Alright guys, we're putting the field goal in the ground. So Dad's dumping the concrete in now. Got the water in.
It says open to foot
There's the
traffic in
concrete.
24 hours.
What the?
It's drying out right now. Apparently gnats are attracted to yellow paint.
Hey guys, as you guys know, that tree smashed that shed, and now we're gonna smash the shed the rest of the way.
Not smart.
Harbor Freight strong. Number 2. Together. The truck topper man is here. I'm gonna put that truck topper on his truck. There it goes. People that got the truck topper on.
All right, so I'm on call this weekend, and we just had an emergency call to a UPS location over in Aiken, South Carolina. So I got to figure out what they need, but I may have to leave. So there goes the Saturday project for the old building.
All right, so as Dad told you, he was on call, got a service call, and so now we are loaded up, putting everything in the computer and getting ready to leave. All right, so we're here. Something's wrong with the bottom panel and the roller's out and it won't come down. And so we're gonna go try to figure it out. All right, we finished it. It's just a roller stuck out on the bottom, so we pushed it back in and the door runs. And home again, jiggity jog. He thought he was gonna get away, but not today.
All right, Demo Ray is gonna see what he can do here with the building. Well, there's that wall. One piece at a time. We'll get it. There you go. Pick up. Well, there's that. There's that. Scotty came up. He's going to work with his John Deere. We got this one. Big load, big load. Come on. All right, y'all, closing this day out. I'm gonna probably go get something to eat, but just remember this: God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. And there's no building here anymore. A piece of history gone.